Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and it is now day 6 of my 30 days of Refashions, and today I am finally going to upstyle that awful sweatshirt that I just had it for too many years, and for some reason it's like a straitjacket. Like you'll see, it's just bad. It is bad, but I'm going to refashion it very, very quickly with a chop and some help from a wise old owl. I wonder what that means. Anyway, if you want to know all of my Refashionista, everything that I have been doing for what feels like my entire life now, then join my wardrobe revolution. Link will be down below. But you know what? For now, let's get making. For this super fast and super simple project, all you need is a plain sweatshirt or long sleeve t-shirt and your lovely bits that hopefully you've been saving to use as embellishments. I save just about anything that has pretty embroidery on it that I've chopped out from other things, or like something like this. Clearly we'll be using next month on a Halloween project, but this is actually from one of my kiddos' shirts from more than a few years ago, and I still haven't used it, but it's in my stash. But I'm looking for something very specific. Oh, how cute are these? I have 2 of these, and I was thinking I could use them for sleeve cuffs. How adorable would that be? These are just the chopped legs from when my kiddo was just small and wore, toddler pants. I've had them for that long. Ah, here it is. Finally found it. I have been holding on to this stunning, sparkly, sequined owl for way too many years, and it's finally going to get a new life today. So because this sweat top has these hideous long ties on the very cool bell sleeves here, I think you're supposed to tie them all up, and I don't know, but they're ugly. It's really ugly. So I'm first going to carefully remove these ties. They're both off, and they're actually very, very sturdy. So I'm going to hold on to these in my stash and perhaps use them to make a bag. I'm not thrilled about the length of this, so I'm just going to crop it a bit. And I have my fancy owl all pinned in place, so now all I have to do is go stitch it on. A little crop and a little applique and a tiny bit of sewing, and that sweatshirt is now something that I am proud to wear all the time. Plus, it's so much more comfortable, and there's not those weird, straitjacket ties. What the heck was that? Like, what was that? I don't know. Anyway, but it is more proof that you can so easily use what you have to make what you want. And you know what? The wardrobe revolution has arrived. So it is definitely time for you to join. Click that link down below and stay tuned tomorrow for yet another amazing video in my 30 days of refashions for my birthday month. So until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.